See, mechanism of muscle contraction is best explained by the sliding filament theory. Sliding filament theory. Sliding means move. Okay, in this one, the muscles are move. Okay, so the mechanism of muscle contraction is best studied by the sliding filament theory. Filaments are slide, move from up to down, down to up. Okay, so that is called sliding. So it is best explained by the sliding filament theory. Sliding filament theory. So it explains that muscle fibers takes place by sliding. Mechanism of muscle contraction. It explains that contraction of muscles takes place by the sliding of the thin filaments. Sliding of the thin filaments between thick filaments. Okay, so this concept explains contraction of muscle fibers takes place by moving of the thin muscles between the thick muscles. Moving of thin muscles between the thick muscles. Between the thick filaments. Between the thick filaments. So this entire phenomenon discovered by the scientist Gene Hansen and Huxley. Okay, so through skeletal muscles, this entire phenomenon discovered by Gene Hansen and Huxley. So the process of mechanism of muscle contraction is best explained by 5 steps. 5 steps. Those 5 steps. First one is excitation of muscles. Our muscles is excited. So the central nervous system for initiation of contraction of the muscles, central nervous system send signals through motor neurons. Sensory neurons, motor neurons, mixed neurons, 3 types of neurons are there. Okay, so for the excitation of muscles, some signals sent by the central nervous system through motor neurons. When those signals reach to the neuromuscular junction, here neuromuscular junction means, see here, nerve terminal, neuron. Structure of a neuron in already lower classes is studied. Okay, see here. This is neuron. It is nerve terminal. These are called nerve terminals. So when the signals passes through the neurons and reach to the nerve terminals, these nerve terminals are attached to the muscles. When these are attached to the muscles, so it is attached to this muscle. So where neuron and muscles are combined with each other, that place is called neuromuscular junction. Okay, these motor neurons, these signals through motor neurons are reached to the neuromuscular junction. Neuromuscular junction means where neurons and muscles are combined. That is called neuromuscular junction. The word only saying the meaning. Neurons. Neuron like this way. Axon, dendrites, cell body, dendrites, axon, nerve terminals. Okay, so when neuron and muscle neuro neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters means acetylcholine. Acetylcholine. Okay, so acetylcholine. Neuromuscular junction transmits, releases neurotransmitters are acetylcholine. So this acetylcholine releases action potential, current. Current is nothing but action potential within the sarcolemma. Sarcolemma nothing but muscle membrane. Okay, that's all. So this action potential nothing but current. This action potential spread through muscle fibers. Spread through muscle fibers and causes to release calcium ions. Calcium ions causes to release calcium ions. Calcium ions in the sarcoplast. Okay, so that is this acetylcholine produces action potential in the muscle membrane. This action potential passes through the muscle fibers and causes to release of calcium ions in the sarcoplasm. Sarcoplasm is nothing but cytoplasm. Inside of the muscles, what was there? That is called sarcoplasm. This is the first step. This is the first step. Next step. Formation of cross bridge. Formation of cross bridge. Increase in calcium ion. Increase in calcium ion levels leads to the binding of these calcium ions to the subunit TNC. I said already 3 subunit TIC. One subunit calcium ions binds to the subunit TNC of troponin of the active filament. Troponin of the active filament. So this increased calcium ions binds to the one of the subunits, that is TNC of the troponin of the active filament. This when calcium ions binds to the subunit of the troponin of the active filament, this makes troponin and tropomyosin complex move aside from the active sites to aside. Okay, so when this calcium ions binds to the active filaments, at that moment troponin and tropomyosin complex move away from its original position to another place. So that is called active site. When calcium ions are binds, then actin filament. Actin filament means already I said. This is actin filament. So this is calcium ions are binds. When calcium ions are binds, this complex, this is troponin and tropomyosin complex move away from its original state to. So when this is moved from original state to little bit away at that moment, myosin heads here again I have to draw one more. The myosin heads, like before I said, we have seen that. This is myosin heads are move away from its original position. Now actin filaments are exposed towards the myosin heads. When calcium ions are binds to this, at that moment, the central complex move away from its original position to another place. Now, this actin filament is exposed towards the myosin heads. These myosin heads utilizing energy from ATP and forms cross bridge here. Cross bridge. Okay, so these myosin heads attach to the active sets of the actin filaments and forms cross bridge with the help of ATP. So this process utilizing energy by hydrolysis of ATP of myosin heads. Here we have to learn what is the hydrolysis of ATP. ATP hydrolysis means ATP is catabolized from adenosine, phosphate 1, phosphate 2, phosphate 3. These three phosphates, one phosphate, these three phosphates, out of these three phosphates, one phosphate is catabolized and releases excess amount of energy. Third phosphate bond contains excess amount of energy. That energy is utilized for the formation of a cross bridge. When this phosphate is utilized, this inorganic phosphate is released and produces excess amount of energy. That energy is utilized for the formation of a cross bridge of the myosin heads. This is myosin. This is a active filament. This is a thin filament. This is thick filament. This is the second step. Only one point. Calcium ions when binds to one of the subunit of troponin of the active filament. At that time, the center complex move away from its original state to another position. Now, this actin filament is exposed towards the myosin heads. The myosin heads, these myosin heads now attach to the actin filaments by utilizing energy from the hydrolysis of ATP and release inorganic phosphate. This is the step formation of cross bridge. So when these myosin heads are attached to this region, so this is called cross bridge. Cross bridge. That region is called, this region is called cross bridge. This is the second step. Okay, with this the second step is finished. Now, okay, relaxation of muscles. When motor impulses, motor signals stop, the calcium ions pumped back into the sarcoplasmic system. Calcium ion pumped back into the sarcoplasmic system. Sarcoplasmic system. See, when motor impulses stop, the calcium ion pumped back into the sarcoplasmic system. Sarcoplasmic system in a sarcoplasmic reticulum. These special type of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, these are special type of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so the calcium ions pumped back into the sarcoplasmic reticulum. When this calcium ions pumping back at that moment, here one of the subunit of troponin mask the active site of the actin filament. Active sites of the actin filament. When subunit covers the active sites of the actin filament, at that moment the myosin heads fail. The myosin heads fail, binding with the active sites of the actin filaments. Why? If calcium ions are there, then only binds and cross bridge is formed. But calcium ion pumping stopped. Calcium ions pumped back to the sarcoplasmic reticulum. At that moment, what happens? It covers by the subunit of troponin. Then myosin heads fail to binding with the actin filaments. These changes causes the return of the jet lines back to their original position. That is called relaxation. So these jet lines, I band, goes back to their original position. This is called contraction state. This is called relaxation state. When jet lines, I band, goes back to its original state, then it seems to be like this way. That is called relaxation. That is called relaxation. Okay, that's all. So these are the 5 steps related to the contraction of the muscles. Muscle fatigue. Muscle fatigue. See, now I was in resting position, but now I was in action position. Repeated activation of skeletal muscles leads to the accumulation of lactic acid. Leads to the accumulation of lactic acid. Due to the anaerobic breakdown of glucose. Due to the anaerobic breakdown of glucose. As a result of these muscles fatigue. Fatigue means tired. Our muscles, when we are running vigorously and vigorous exercise doing, at that moment our muscles fatigued. Why fatigued? Due to repeated activation of the muscles. Our body muscles releases excess amount of lactic acid due to the anaerobic breakdown of glucose in the muscles. At that time, our muscles gets tired. At this particular time, at this particular state, our skeletal muscles fails contraction process temporarily. At that particular time, our muscles temporarily fail in contraction process. Our muscles temporarily fail contraction process. Why? Due to fatigue nature of our skeletal muscles. That is called muscle fatigue. Next, types of muscle fibers. Types of muscle fibers. Our muscle fibers are 2 types. One is muscles contains excess amount of red colored oxygen storage pigments. Such muscles are called myoglobin muscles, also called muscle hemoglobin. Those are seems to be red fibers. Therefore, those muscles are also called red fibers. Some of the muscles in our body contains excess amount of red colored oxygen storage pigment. That pigment is myoglobin. So next, myoglobin. Myoglobin muscles, due to excess amount of red colored oxygen storage pigment, it appears to be reddish color. Reddish color. That's why these muscles are also called red fibers. These red fibers contains excess amount of mitochondria. Excess amount of mitochondria. Excess amount of mitochondria. These mitochondria uses more and more oxygen for the production of ATP. Therefore, this kind of muscles are also called aerobic muscles. Aerobic muscles. Aerobic muscles. Second type of muscles are called white fibers. In our body, some of the muscles possesses very less amount of myoglobin. Some of the muscles contains very less amount of myoglobin. Less amount of myoglobin means what? Less amount of oxygen storage pigment. Okay, in our body, some of the muscles contains less amount of myoglobin. So due to less amount of myoglobin, those muscles seems to be pale or white. Therefore, these muscles are called white fibers. White fibers contains very few amount of mitochondria, but they contains excess amount of sarcoplasmic reticulum. Sarcoplasmic reticulum plays a major role in the regulation of calcium ions. Sarcoplasmic reticulum plays a major role in the regulation of calcium ions. The mitochondrial number is very less, very few, but they contain excess amount of sarcoplasmic reticulum. Therefore, here one more point. These muscles use aerobic process. It is aerobic process. Here anaerobic process. These muscles use anaerobic process for the release of. That means what? Without oxygen also, these muscles can show process and release energy. White fibers shows short-term, high intensity of contractions. White fibers shows short duration, but high intensity of contraction. High intensity, high concentration of contraction for the releasing. That's why these are called anaerobic processes, anaerobic muscle fibers, anaerobic white fibers. These use excess amount of oxygen for the production of energy. Therefore, these are called aerobic muscles. These muscles, without oxygen also, they can perform their activities. That's why these are called anaerobic white fibers. Okay. So this is the explanation about mechanism of muscle contraction. Mechanism of muscle contraction is one topic. Muscle fatigue is one topic. Yes, athletes contains red fibers. When they are doing vigorous exercise, at that time, white fibers will take more time. White fibers will take action because red fibers will fatigue quickly. Okay, so white fibers without oxygen, when athletes are running at that moment, sufficient oxygen is not supplied to the body. At that time, white fibers will take action. White fibers will perform their action without during anaerobic condition. Aerobic means presence of oxygen. Anaerobic means absence of oxygen. Also, those muscles can perform actions. So, with this tough topic is finished. Okay, so about the ultra structure of finish. Ultra structure. Yesterday, today, day before yesterday, what I said, that is ultra structure of muscles. That is finished. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow and day after tomorrow, that is Saturday, Sunday, Monday, on behalf of Diwali vacation, there is no online classes. On Tuesday, skeletal system. It is very easy topic and interesting topic. Skeletal system, we will keep discussion. Okay, ma. So happy Diwali. Yes, ma. Thank you. Happy Diwali to all. So I think so. Don't use crackers. While you are using crackers, you should not use any sanitizers. Okay, ma. Thank you very much. So I think so. Karnataka government banned using crackers. Am I correct? Karnataka government banned using crackers. Yeah. It's better. We can save money and health also. Unnecessarily, environment will get contaminated. Okay, ma. So happy Diwali to all members. So take care of your health. Okay, ma. I'm leaving the meeting. Saturday, Monday was a holiday. Keep in your mind. Thank you, ma. Thank you. I'm leaving the meeting. Get ready for next class. Okay, ma. Thank you very much. Yeah. I will say. Now I will say. Now only I will say.